did you just see that spooky video? Yup, made it free with Meta AI in my last video. And as promised, now I'm going to show you how to add the sauce and spice and spine-chilling flavor to make a creepy video the easy way and still totally free. Open CapCut or any of your favorite editor software, click New Project, and import your scary AI clips. Drag the clips onto the timeline so they're ready to work with. Click on a clip, then find Adjust at the top. Can't see it. Click on your clip again. Now make that baby darker, creepier, more something's breathing behind you-ish. Play with brightness, contrast, shadows. Make it look like a ghost moved in. Cut your scene and zoom in slowly. Hallway shot, zoom closer, closer, closer. Instant tension. It's like you bring the viewer right into the darkness with no flashlight. Add ghost sounds. Boo! Go to the audio tab. Type in scary or ghost. Test a few. Hear that one? That's the one that says run. Drop it under the scene like a spooky sound sandwich. You can also grab free sounds from places like Pixabay, free screams. Yes, please! It's time to sprinkle some effects. Hit that effects tab. Try smoke, static, creepy flickers, glitch vibes, anything that makes your viewer go, what the heck was that? Test transitions too. Fade to black, dramatic, glitch into the next scene, even better. Want extra vibes? Add a voiceover. You can narrate the story like a haunted mansion guide, or do a whispery ghost voice. Totally up to you. I believe in your weird. And there you go! You've taken AI magic and turned it into horror gold. Just remember, if something whispers back while you edit, it wasn't me. Ha! Now take a peek at my original spooky video. I tossed in some rain, thunder, and a few extra boom effects, just like I showed you. Scary. Oh yeah. Thunderous. Boom, boom. You can totally remix your clips like this too. CapCut gives you the tools. You can use them to add in creepy flavors to your clip. Ghost chef status. Unlocked. Quick spooky tip from Auntie. The YouTube algorithm has a very delicate stomach. It doesn't love full-scale messiness, so keep it eerie and spooky. Not extreme. Save the chaos for your in-home Halloween. And that's it, Ghost Squad. You've got the tools, the tricks, and the thunder to turn spooky AI clips into full-on ghost stories without spending a single banana. Now go make something spooky. Now if you'll, huff, excuse me. I'm being chased by a haunted toaster. Bye! If I don't make it, please tell Auntie AI I love bananas.